Hey, it's Levi here and welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at these Rombo guitar picks. So I just ordered these online a couple weeks ago and they came in the mail just now. So let's open them up and see what they're like. This is the envelope. This is what it looks like. There's hope that I don't damage any of the literature in there. So we'll open this thing up. All right, so let's just do one at a time. Let's pull things out one little bit. Okay, first thing, super cool pictures and stuff. There's a cassette tape, a P90, a tube, a pick holder. So these guitar picks kind of look like your Pokemon badges, something like that. They got a bunch of different kind of information here in this book. This will be useful for me as I read through and try to figure out kind of what each of them are. It's kind of like chocolates or something, man. There's like all these different varieties. They're all different shapes and colors. They're very neat things. But yeah, man, the marketing sold me on this. Photography, man. Like, if it weren't for this amazing photography and the marketing, I probably wouldn't have cared. But anyways, move on to the next thing. Strap block set. Little things that we can put onto the strap. Honestly, pretty cool. It has a cool texture to it. It has a Rombo logo on it. These are cool. These were part of the variety pack. There's two of them. So far, I think Rombo's got some cool stuff in terms of what their branding and packaging kind of looks like. It looks like they actually do care about the products that they're selling. So that's awesome to see. Let's take a look at the next thing. All right, these things, a lot of students ask me about these things all the time. These are pick holders. These are the classic wedgie style design. Now, I don't know if this is like a copyright violation or what, but way back, I would buy a very similar product from the music store. They're called Wedgie, the brand, Wedgies. And this is fundamentally the same thing, but honestly, I'm just stoked to have more of these because they're actually a little bit harder to find, for me at least, nowadays. 12 different Rombo picks. This is our variety pack. Let's open it up. All right, so these are the Pokemon badges of the guitar pick world. We got a bunch of different colors, a bunch of different shapes and textures. Very cool. Whoa, I'm gonna have to really try all these out. Wow, I think they look really cool, honestly. And this is what drew me to buying these products. It's just that they look cool. I hope I like them, like in the way of actually playing with them. So I'm gonna do a very brief little demo just on an acoustic guitar, just to keep it all really simple, straightforward. I'm gonna go from the left to the right, all the way through, and I'm just gonna I'm gonna play for like 10 to 15 seconds. We'll see if they have any sound difference or if I have any input from, like, you know, what I like or don't like about certain shapes or whatever. Anything on the back? Just more pictures, basically. Designs and colors inspired by nature. That's cool. I like that. They talk about different features that they've got: micro nodules, grip structure, high mirror polish pick tip, ergonomic design and services, best materials, high mechanical strength and stiffness, perfect balance between hold and attack areas. So, moving along, we got: thank you. You are supporting a small startup from Remsek near Stuttgart in Germany. We, Judith and Carlos, the founders of Rombo, are passionate about creating exceptional guitar picks. Each pick is meticulously designed, developed, inspected, and packages with love by us. Typo. We hope that our guitar picks will serve as a source of inspiration for you in your musical journey. Signed, Carlos and Judith. That's awesome, man. I really dig it. Free download, don't know what that is, but maybe I'll check that out. But yeah, cool. It's always nice with these like little boutique kind of shops when they have like a little bit of a thank you note, something kind of like a little bit personal. Gives me like an idea of like who are the people that actually came up with these concepts and who made the products themselves. All right, so we got 12 different guitar picks and let's try them out. And it turns out demoing these picks is a lot more involved, so check out this video here to watch the demonstration of each pick.